How to fix you can't like Instagram note. If you are not able to like Instagram note, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, you need to check that if any update is available to your Instagram or not. For that, go through the App Store and on the searching bar, search for Instagram. Now make sure that there is no any update button. If there is update button, then hit on that and update your Instagram application. Once you check that, go through the settings and then hit on the general. From here, tap on the iPhone storage and search for Instagram application. Here you will see two options, that is offload and delete app. Simply select offload app and do offload app. Once you do that, you have to reinstall your application and try logging into it. Once you log into it, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.